Hello everyone and welcome on part 6 on What It Ratchet tonight. So without ado, let's get on the story. Well, our story begins with after Optimus Prime was captured by lockdown. Ratchet explained about what happened to Optimus Prime and him, of course. And so the Autobots need to take Optimus Prime and dollar him right now to it too late. And they need a plan to take Optimus Prime on the other cart, of course. And Carter don't want to go out of that, but he was taught by at the storm of that storm. And go on the team to way on the movie on Transformers 8 on Extincted, where all that wrecks you on Optimus Time out of that storm, and so the Optimus Time and all that they escaped. And so after the event of the code of the temporary of the building on Transformers 8 on extinct of that though, they knew that can let humans die because on lockdown of that though, and so they needed to talk to him right now, but they need a backup and army to defeat lockdown once and for all. And so the others go to need help on Dinobots to defeat lockdown once and for all. And that is going now lead to now everybody. Thanks for the watching of this video. And I will see all you guys the start starting on What It Ratchet tonight.